What is up, everybody? My name is Austin and you are watching the Power Stoke channel. This video is kind of jumping around. There's a lot going on. We're running out to Cody's house to check on the Tahoe because he's been working on it for me. Super awesome guy. Thank you again so much. We're running out an ignition to him, stuff for an oil change, and a couple other random odds and ends, and the Tahoe will be back up and it'll be on the channel every once in a while. My cousin's actually here from Montana, but sadly we're busy today, so I can't really go show you guys today for this week's video. But later this week, I'm going to head out there. We're going to install an intake on his Duramax. That's going to be a lot of fun to have a Duramax on the channel. I'm sorry about the video quality if it's worse or different. I actually lost the GoPro, so I'm probably going to end up having to buy a new one. And I wanted to ask if you guys have any experience with the GoPro Hero 4 Silvers, because that's what I'm looking into. If any of you guys have any experience with those, please let me know if they're good or bad, or what you guys think, how the battery life is on them. Please comment below. And I also ordered some rock lights for the truck. I think it'd be pretty fun to light up the truck at night with some colors. It's they're a Bluetooth set I actually bought off Amazon. I'll link them below. I also wanted to ask you guys to see what you guys think the next mod for the Ford should be. Do you want to see headlights, grill, window tint? What do you guys want to see? I kind of want to base it off what you guys want to see because it's you guys are the subscribers. I want to make stuff that you guys want to watch. So please comment below, give me some input. I can't paint the mirrors. Hey guys, alright, so now we're back from Cody's house. I know I didn't show anything there, but the Tahoe is kind of in rough condition. It leaks a lot of oil. The sway bar end links aren't matching up right. Cody is doing the best he can and he's kicking butt. It's awesome. He got them to work. They're a stretch and I might not end up using those. I'm gonna look into some that have a swivel on the end to see if it matches up better. So it might have a rear main seal leak, which is pretty bad, which might mean, you know, later down the road we'll pull the motor and maybe do an engine swap. That'd be kind of fun. And the ignition was actually stuck, so you couldn't turn the key to get it on, so we had to do a new ignition for the Tahoe as well. There's a lot that needs to be done to it. There's some stuff like the door stopped opening from the inside, and it just all happened from sitting for so long. I regret letting it sit for 8 months like I did, so my next vehicle I won't end up doing that, drive it around still, because they deteriorate. When you let a vehicle sit, they deteriorate, and it's not good on them. So sadly the Tahoe needs quite a bit of work, but hopefully soon it'll be back and I'll include it in the channel. It's a pretty good rig. I love that rig, and you guys will enjoy it a lot too. So I know I told you guys that I would do a rock light install this weekend. I actually didn't have time to do it. The lights came in late and I was away all weekend, so I really didn't have time to do it. So I'm really sorry about that, guys, but I'll mock it up for you so you can see what it kind of is going to look like. It's going to be pretty phenomenal. I'm excited. I'm going to wait for it to get a little darker and then I'll mock it up. I like doing lights on vehicles. The Tahoe had them inside. It makes it unique and it makes it a fun vehicle. So it'll be a lot of fun to put in, and I'll do a step-by-step install. All right, guys, we waited for it to get a little bit darker, mocked it up. My dad helped me out with this. It looks absolutely phenomenal. They're super bright lights for how cheap they were. They're 50 bucks on Amazon. I'll put the link down below. It's a little remote that they come with, or you can use an app. Super easy. You just hit these little buttons here and it changes the color. Responds pretty quick. I absolutely love them. I think for 50 bucks they're absolutely worth it. There's gonna be a little DIY on this. We're gonna be connecting some power wire and some ground wire to the module itself because it's not quite long enough. I don't want it mounted under the hood. I want it underneath the truck, so that way I know for sure that the rock lights will reach, because it's already pretty close, just mocked up here. So next weekend, this will be the video. I cannot wait to install them and show you guys what they look like when they're finished, because right now there's wires in the way, but they're very bright even with sunglasses on, because you guys know I always wear sunglasses. Thank you guys again so much for watching and your continued support. We hit 340 something subscribers this week. That is insane. It blew up over 60 subscribers in 1 week. So thank you guys so much for your continued support. If we can get this video to 100 likes, I'll go roll some coal on a bunch of Priuses for you guys. I think that'd be a lot of fun and you guys would enjoy that. I'm gonna get a lot of dirty looks, but you know what? It's totally worth it. It's all for a good time. And so thank you guys so much for watching this video. Thank you guys so much for your continued support with the channel, even though sometimes I don't live up to the expectations that I give you. But next week, these rock lights will be going on because I now have them. I did not have them this week, so I didn't have the time to install them. So thank you guys so much for watching. Please hit that subscribe button, share this video, and hit that like button. And I'll see you guys in the next video.